TFNN. Headline News Update.
Welcome, folks. Here's your 2 p.m. update. We're going to take a look at the indices to begin with. You've got the Dow trading out at 24,424. What it has done so far today, it's traded and tested and rejected the top of that February 9th swing point. That level out there is 24,382.14. Now, the Dow is pulling back into that swing point on light volume. If we take a look at the Dow Diamonds, we can see that thus far today they've done 3.9 million shares, and they were going into the swing point from February 9th with 19 million shares. If price, and I would use on the diamonds, you're looking at 244.03. I would use the price point on the Dow versus the diamonds. That would give you rejection on light volume of an important swing point. It's also testing the March 2nd swing point, which has 6.4 million shares. So you've got light volume tests inside the Dow. If we take a look at the S&P 500, it is trading within its swing point. Is not able to get down to the February 9th level. It's trading within the swing point from March the 2nd. A complete rejection here would be a close above 2696.25. If we take a look at the volume inside the SPY, as of 2 o'clock with 2 hours to go, light volume. 74 million shares trading into what is 139 million shares out there. If we take a look at the Russell 2000, the Russell 2000 RUT, this thing, really pretty strong. You've got a rising price channel out here, nowhere near March the 2nd level out here. Looks like this thing may have bottom when it tested the bottom of that rising price channel. Volume-wise inside the IWM out here, well, I'd like to give it to you, but for some reason it's not populated on my screen. I hate that. There we go. Volume today about 14 million shares. Testing a swing from a few days ago that had 25 million shares. You kind of get the spiel as we speak right now. Ideally, here's what you'd like to see. You'd love to see these markets close lower, finish lower than this, make it look ugly. I doubt you'll see the volume expansion at those swing points. You won't get the rejection of the swing point, but right now you've got light volume, and what you'll need to then look for is what's going on inside the equity futures contracts. Folks, have a great Thursday. Stay tuned. David White is up next. Because it's Thursday, you've got Tom O'Brien 3 to 5, Andy Heck from 5 to 6. I'm Steve Rhodes. Thanks so much for being here. We'll see you soon.